Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn how to write the construction step. I have taken one question which is D1 Mathematics 12A exercise and chapter number 12. The question is question number 10. Construct triangle PQR such that PQ is equal to 9.5 centimeter, PR 8.5 centimeter and QR is equal to 9.8 centimeter. The first is measure and write down the size of the angle facing the shortest side, and the second point is construct the perpendicular bisector of QR such that it cuts PQ. Measure and write down the length of QT such that T is the point where the perpendicular bisector QR cuts PQ. You can also see in 12A exercise question number 10. I have already written the statement here. So first of all, we will split our question into three parts. The first one is the construction of triangle. So let's start. I have already written the values. Keep in your mind, when you have three length of a side of a triangle is given in the question, so try to choose the bigger one as a base of the triangle. So I will choose QR is equal to 9.8 centimeter. First of all, we will draw QR is equal to 9.8 centimeter using your ruler and draw a line. QR 9.8 centimeter. Now we will draw a line PQ is equal to 9.5 centimeter using your ruler and compass, and open your compass till 9.5 centimeter. Now you can see it is exactly 9.5 centimeter. Now keep your compass on point Q and draw an arc. Arc 1. We will draw the next length, and the last one PR is equal to 8.5 centimeter. The same thing, open your compass up to 8.5 centimeter. You can see it is exactly 8.5 centimeter. Now put your compass R and draw another arc which cut the first one. We will draw the second arc which cut the first one at point P. Give them the name second one, and this is the point P. Now we will join the point P with Q and P with R. You can see it is our required triangle PQR. Now we will write the construction step. Our first construction step is QR is equal to 9.8 centimeter. Using ruler, draw QR is equal to 9.8 centimeter. Then second step is we will take Q as a center and draw arc 1 which is away from 9.5 centimeter. Construction step is take Q as a center, draw an arc 1 of radius 9.5 centimeter. The last line PR is equal to 8.5 centimeter. Take R as a center, keep your compass on R and draw the second arc. Draw the second arc which cut at point P. Take R as a radius, draw an arc 2 of radius 8.5 centimeter which cuts arc 1 at point P. Which cuts arc 1 at point P. Join point P with Q and P with R. Join PQ and PR. Triangle PQR is required triangle. Now come to the question. We have completed one part. The second part is measure and write down the size of the angle facing shortest side of the triangle. Okay, we can see PR is the shortest side of the triangle and the angle facing the PR is Q. So we will measure the angle Q with the help of D. As you can see, it is approximately 52 degree. PR is the shortest side. Required angle RQP is equal to 52 degree. Now we will solve the last part of this question. Construct the perpendicular bisector of QR. Perpendicular bisector of QR. Now what I will do, now we will draw the perpendicular bisector of QR. Keep in your mind, keep your compass first of all and R, and open your compass more than half of QR. Keep in your mind, open your compass more than half QR. The half may be here and more than half is like this. Open your compass more than half of QR and draw arc 1 above QR. Arc 1 above QR and arc 2 below QR. This is the arc 1 and this is the arc 2, which is above and below of QR. Give them name 1 and 2. Now we will write the construction step. Now take R as a center. Take R as a center and open your compass more than half of QR and draw an arc 1 above QR, arc 1 above QR and arc 2 below QR. And the same procedure we will do by keeping your compass on point Q. Now with the same radius I will put my compass on point Q and draw an arc which cut the first arc at point. Give them the name. The point is S. This point is S. Arc 3. Putting your compass on Q and draw an arc which is 3 arc. Name of this arc is 3 and which cut the first one at point S. And the same we will draw one more arc below of QR and it cuts arc 2 at point V. And this is the fourth arc. Arc 4 cuts arc 2 at point V. Now we will write the construction step of this one. Take Q as a center with same radius. Draw an arc 3 which cuts arc 1 at point S. And then we will draw an arc 4. This is fourth arc. Draw an arc 4 below QR, which is below QR, which cuts, and this is cut, you can see, which cuts arc 2 at point V. Now we will join the point S and V. Okay, come to the question. Measure and write down the length of curve T. We are having curve but T is missing. What is T? Such that T is the point where the perpendicular bisector of QR cuts PQ. Perpendicular bisector of QR cuts PQ. But in our question, the perpendicular bisector of QR is not cut PQ. So what I will do? We will extend the line. We will extend this perpendicular bisector. Now you can see the perpendicular bisector of QR cuts PQ at point T. This is the point of intersection. Now we will measure the length of Q and T. And you can say it is approximately 8 centimeter. And this is our required answer. Extend the perpendicular bisector of QR such that it cuts PQ at point T. We extend this perpendicular line. The perpendicular line of QR is SV. When we extend it, it cuts PQ at point T. And same thing we have written in the construction step. And the last one is the length of QT is 8 centimeter. I hope this video will help you to understand the construction step of this question. So stay happy and stay in home during the COVID period. Allah Hafiz.